What if I told you the AI you see today doesn't actually think, doesn't understand you, and still, it can answer almost anything you ask? So, how is that even possible? In this video, I'll explain how AI really works, in the simplest way possible. No complicated terms, no confusion. By the end of this video, you'll understand AI better than 90% of people. First, let's clear a big myth. AI is not a human brain. It doesn't have emotions. It doesn't know things like we do. When you talk to AI, it's not thinking. It's calculating. And that changes everything. At its core, AI works on one simple idea: prediction. When you type a question, AI tries to predict the best possible answer. Not because it understands the meaning, but because it has seen similar patterns before. Think about your phone keyboard. It suggests the next word while typing. Now, imagine that, but millions of times more powerful. That's AI. So, how does AI learn all this? It's trained on a massive amount of data. Books, websites, articles, conversations. It studies patterns in language, like which words come together, which sentences make sense. Over time, it becomes really good at predicting responses. But remember, it doesn't know facts, it learns patterns. Now, here's the interesting part. AI sounds human because it was trained on human data. It copies the way we talk, the way we explain things, even the way we make mistakes. That's why sometimes it feels like you're talking to a real person. But you're not. AI is powerful, but not perfect. Sometimes it gives wrong answers. Sometimes it sounds confident, but is still incorrect. Because again, it predicts, not understands. So always double-check important information. So, in simple words, AI doesn't think like humans. It predicts patterns based on data. And that simple idea is what makes it so powerful. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think AI will ever truly understand humans? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple AI explanations.